Yeah, this atmospheric river is bringing tropical moisture onshore. Now it's starting tomorrow afternoon, but we're going to be seeing steady rainfall continuing into those evening hours on Thursday. We could even be seeing a little bit of that rain on Friday as well. We're looking at right around 5 p.m. in the early morning hours. It looks like it's going to be making its way into the county just after lunchtime, but we're talking about heavy rain across the county tomorrow afternoon. Now this is continuing Tuesday, Wednesday morning. We're talking about the heaviest rain though Wednesday night. Continuing into those early hours Thursday for us here in the valley, we could see anywhere from 1/2 of an inch up to 2 inches. The mountains looking at more like 1 to 3 inches, even more up in the higher elevations. But this is bringing a flash flood watch in effect for the mountains starting Wednesday afternoon, continuing through Thursday evening. So this heavy rainfall is causing possible flash floods as well as debris flowing, and that could be impacting recent burn scar areas, and roads could be impacted. But we have more details on the storm in just a few.